Hello students, welcome to Smart Learn. Before starting today's topic, I am going to tell you the answer of the riddle that I have asked you in the previous video. The answer is watermelon. So same in this video also, I am going to ask you a riddle at the end of the video. So now let's start the topic, that is properties of number, in which we will study about distributive property, associative property, commutative property and identity. Now let's start with the first property, that is commutative property. Changing the order of factors does not affect the sum or product. Means if we will change the order of any factor, that will not affect, not change anything in the sum or the product. Let's study it by example. Let's take a equal to 3 and b equal to 2. In first you can see a plus b is equal to b plus a. That is a we have taken 3 and b we have taken 2. Means 3 plus 2 is equal to 2 plus 3. And answer we will get the same, that is 5. In multiplication also you can see a into b equal to b into a. That is 3 into 2 equal to 2 into 3. Answer we are getting 6 in both. So that is commutative property. Means if we will change any order, it will not affect the sum or its product. Next we will study about associative property. That is the order in which numbers are grouped does not affect the sum or product. Means अगर हमारे पास एक ऑर्डर है नंबर्स का और हम उसे अलग अलग डिफरेंट तरीके से ग्रुप करते हैं तो वो हमारे सम को या जो हमारा प्रोडक्ट आएगा उसको बिल्कुल भी अफेक्ट नहीं करेगी. लेट्स सी द एग्जांपल. Here I have taken a equal to 3, b equal to 2 and c equal to 5. In first you can see I have taken a plus b plus c, and in this I have grouped a plus b equal to a plus b plus c. In this I have grouped b plus c. Same in multiplication also. Next 3 plus 2 plus 5 equal to 3 plus 2 plus 5. अब आप इसमें देख सकते हैं कि 3 plus 2 में मैंने फर्स्ट वाला ग्रुप किया है एंड नेक्स्ट वाले में मैंने 2 plus 5 ग्रुप किया है. सेम मल्टीप्लिकेशन में भी see 3 plus 2 we will get 5 plus 5 equal to 3 we will get, and 2 plus 5 we are getting 7. So we are getting the same answer. 5 plus 5 equal to 10 and 3 plus 7 is 10. Same in this also. Multiplication also I have done the same. 3 into 2 into 5. इसमें मैंने 3 into 2 को ग्रुप किया है and उधर 2 into 5 ग्रुप किया है. And the answer will come same, that is 30. So this is associative property. आप किसी को भी किसी में ग्रुप कर सकते हैं, बस हमारे पास एक ऑर्डर होना चाहिए और आंसर हमें उसका सेम मिलेगा. So let's start with the next property, that is distributive property. That is adding two or more numbers together, then multiplying a sum by a factor is equal to multiplying each number alone by the factor first and then adding the products. Let's understand it by the example, it will be more clear. A equal to 2, b equal to 1 and c equal to 3. In this what I have done, a into b, b plus c. Means first I have taken a into b plus c equal to a into b plus a into c. A I have taken 2, b I have taken 1 and c I have taken 3. Left hand side what I have done, a that is 2, 2 into 1 plus 3. Right hand side I have written 2 into 1 plus 2 into 3. Means I am multiplying 2 with 1 first, then 2 with 3. And answer I am getting 2 into 4 equal to 2 into 6. That is 8. Means we will get the same answer. In this property what we have done, first in left hand side I have written 2 into 1 plus 3. First I have solved 1 plus 3, that we have got 2 into 4, that is 8. And in right hand side I have done 2 into 1 plus 2 into 3, that we have get 2 plus 6 equal to 8. That is distributive property. Our next property is identity. That is, an identity is a number that when added, subtracted, multiplied or divided with any number, then the identity will be either 0 or 1. In addition and subtraction, the identity is 0. In multiplication and division, the identity is 1. For example, I have taken a plus 0 is equal to a minus 0 is equal to a. Means if we will add or subtract, we will get the same answer. Like 5 plus 0 is equal to 5, 5 minus 0 is equal to 5. So in addition and subtraction, identity is always 0. In multiplication and division, I have taken a into 1 equal to a divided by 1 equal to a. That is 5 into 1 equal to 5, 5 divided by 1 is equal to 5. So in multiplication and division, the identity is always 1. So I hope you understood the concept of properties of numbers. So now this is the time for riddle. What has to be broken before you can use it? You have to answer me this riddle in the comment box, and in the next video I am going to tell its correct answer. So thank you for watching it. Do like, subscribe and share if you like the video. Till then, study hard. Bye bye. Take care.